Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, December 18th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, well, we have Microsoft that declared that the Windows 10 October 2018 update is officially available for pretty much everybody. Of course, there's still some blocks, so that means that if you seek it through Windows Update, it might appear, but if you have a little something that is preventing it from appearing, it will actually not let you get it. We'll have an update on this today because that's kind of a new milestone now where people can get the October 2018 update, and we'll talk about what are the blocks right now and if you should or not update, but Microsoft seems to say, hey, get it while you can. Microsoft Edge news, interesting. A former Edge intern says that Google sabotaged Microsoft Edge browser by constantly making changes that would break the Edge HTML in their websites, and that is one of the reasons why Microsoft finally decided to base its browser on Chromium, because it was getting tired of always having to do little changes to make things compatible. Research shows that your internet bill increase is actually funding cybersecurity improvements rather than having your ISP kind of modernize and make your network better. And the telecoms have a lot of difficulty keeping up with the network's safety. They are in the companies that take the longest time to actually respond to cybersecurity threats. And that report says the reason behind it is that they are also the only types of businesses that have such a large distribution of network. So that's kind of interesting, and you know, we don't see it, but a lot of the security and a lot of the things that are actually keeping us safe are also on the internet service provider side, trying to make sure that the users at the other end are as safe as possible. Well, the Wall Street Journal page was hacked, as PewDiePie fans actually hacked into the web page and added full page to help support the YouTube channel. Of course, after printer acts of the last weekend also, it seems fans are doing everything they can to just keep him at the top. Well, interesting, in what is a controversial move across the country, the UK police is apparently using face recognition technology on shoppers this holiday season. They're trying to find bad guys and wanted criminals. And so they are also at the same time tweaking and testing all of their technology using face recognition. Microsoft might be giving you a little gift. It seems that some users have actually noted that some of the newsletters that they receive from Microsoft contain $10 gift cards. So you might want to check your Microsoft emails a little closer. It seems that many users are reporting a $10 gift card inserted within the newsletter. So check your newsletter carefully. Well, an interesting news item that we learned about Google's Dragonfly Chinese search engine. It seems that according to a report from The Intercept, Google had set up a search engine called 265.com that would get search results from Baidu, meaning, of course, that that was not necessarily the best thing in the world, but it helped Google understand what actually the Chinese are searching for, and of course learn more about the Chinese market. But the problem is, to get into China, there needs to be data collection from the Chinese government, and Google had kind of set up a centralized database, but its own employees were so mad at Google doing this that Google finally decided that it would destroy that central database of data collection, and of course at the same time kind of made the Dragonfly search engine impossible to implement because it doesn't follow the rules of China. So kind of interesting here to see that basically the efforts of Google in China are pretty much stalled. Tumblr, as promised, has started removing porn content yesterday, December 17th. The website, since yesterday, directs users to a page that says it contains sensitive content if it tries to go to a porn page that they would go to usually, and that the contents of porn will be removed by the end of the year. So a cleaner, better Tumblr coming to 2019. Cryptojacking was one of the biggest problems in 2018, affecting a lot of devices, even breaking or even damaging some devices by just making the device run way too much for what it should, and some phones actually got damaged because they were running 100% CPU all the time to do some cryptocurrency mining. Well, even though the prices of the cryptocurrency are down, it seems that 2019 might be also another year where cryptojacking will be very important. Well, a report shows that in businesses where the boss or the top leaders ask for the honest and real comments and suggestions from the IT department, they often don't have the really straightforward comments. And the reason why is that for most IT leaders, the management and the boss and the people around it don't understand the technology enough. So they rather put up their own story than rather just say what's happening and why this or that isn't working. So that's the difficulty of any IT worker, I think, to explain to regular folks what's happening and how it's impacting. And finally, as we are moving into the next generation of network, AT&T has turned on the 5G capabilities in 12 cities across the United States, but there really isn't anything using 5G right now. And from what we've seen, they'll have a 5G network capability at $70 a month. So we're starting. It's the first deployment going on. And of course, the first generation, the first 5G devices will be arriving in 2019 with promise of amazing speeds. And I don't know. We'll see if we're giving too much importance to this new network. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, December 18, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.